So with this valve, where's that other valve at? This thing. We basically measured it right there. All right, hey everybody. Today I'm gonna be showing you basically just how to do this. So we put the head on this engine, put the cam in. All right, so what we're doing is we put the cam in, this thing right here. This thing that I'm zoomed in at is the cam. So we put the cam in case you don't know what the cam in, this is the cam. This is the cam right here. This is the cam right here. Right here, right here, right here. Put the cam in and we lined up the timing. All right, so we put the cam in. This is the cam, and then we lined up the timing marks. And then this is the timing mark. You see that dot right there? See this little dot right there? You can't really see it. But if you line that up, that's how you know it's timed, it's lined up correctly. All right, so with the head installed, this is the head. We can check valve clearance. So inside of here, you can't see the piston because it's covered up by the head, but I'm turning it right now. But we can also check valve clearance. So we took the head off. Now we're gonna check the clay. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna cut right here. Section off of that clay. Now we got a little section right there. So a little section. So I got the caliper. This is the caliper. So now we're just gonna measure it. Right at 90. Now that we know our clearances are good,